this video, I would like to give you an up-close and candid review on how you can file your P9 form, what other people refer to as employment income tax in Kenya. So what you're supposed to do, you just need to get into your favorite browser. Just search for iTax, then hit enter. You shall be taken into this interface. Just choose for iTax KRA portal. This is just the KRA portal. Then just enter your KRA pin here. So KRA does not allow you to copy paste your pin here. So in order to enter your pin, you just need to get into your P9 form. So the pin is here. As you can see, this is the employee pin, which is below the employer's pin. So let's come and enter it here. So it is A011 36 50 70. Then just hit continue. So I think I have made an error. Okay, it is 0111 36 50 70, and we have P at last. Then hit continue. Then you need to enter your client password, so which is here. Let me enter my client password. Then you just need to do a simple computation here, so which is 83 plus 10, which I think is 93 if my math teacher was not wrong. So this is just a security stamp, don't get worried. It's just a simple computation. Then hit login. So let me close the announcement box. So our aim is to file return. So you just need to come to where we have returns. Just come to where we have the ITR for employment income only. So ITR just basically means income tax return. It's just so simple like that. Nothing complicated, just hit above it. So you just need to choose your return period. So we usually file return for the past year or the previous year. So our return will be ranging from 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024. So we just enter first. Let me come here and enter first 01/01/2024. Basically, after inputting this one, the return period to the end of 31st December 2024, just then got into your device automatically. Do you have employment income? Basically, yes. Then I'll hit next. Now, this is where now we get into the P9 form. So this is the form now which you need to fill. So you are being asked, have your employer provided you with a car? It's just a simple question which everyone can answer. Just be truthful. Have your employer provided you with a car? Basically, my employer have not provided me with a car. Do you have an home ownership saving plan? I don't have. You can see anything which KRA have closed does not allow you to select. This means already KRA have the information about it. So do you earn income from foreign country? I don't have income from foreign country. If you have, just select yes, and you can claim for double taxation if your income in the foreign country it is taxed. So other details here, such as section A part 2, you can notice is where we have the bank name, city, account number, which already KRA have, so we cannot do anything. So we just come to where we have, do you have a mortgage? Actually, my client does not have a mortgage, but I just own my client and say I don't have a mortgage. Do you have a life insurance? No, I don't have a life insurance. Do you have disability? Already KRA, no, I don't have this. My client does not have disability. Then we are through with this form. We can get to next. So this is where we are needed to input our client PIN. So our PIN and form is our commandment. So the employer's PIN is here. Let me show you. It is above our employee PIN. So let me enter it now. Let us come here. So it is P is P05 111 427 1 R. So you shall be asked your employee gross pay. So gross pay, it is provided under the P9 form, which is here. You can see it is under section B, which is here. I think you can see where I have, let me highlight it. It is here. It is here, as you can see. 511,200, 500,000, 511,200. Let me call it like that. So it is here. And also it is given as a shortcut here. It is already provided here by KRA. They already know even the name of the employer, which is the Green Garden Schools. So gross pay, it is here. We have said is 500,000, 11,200. So do I have the value of the car? The employer have not provided me with a car, so that is 0. So pension excess of 300,000. I don't have a pension in excess of 300,000. You can see even KRA cannot allow me to input it. So do you have an allowance and benefit from employment other than car? Allowance and benefit from employment other than car. So it is 0. I don't have other. Net value of housing. I don't have housing provided by my employer. So we have the total employment income. So since I don't have other allowances provided by the employer, so this usually means that my total employment income is equal to my gross pay. Okay? So, and that means my total employment income. Let's get into the P9 form and show you how it applies. My total employment income, which is here, it is A plus B plus C, is also 511,200. Let me enter it here. 515. Let me show you. Let me enter. Even I cannot be able to adjust it since it is equal to this one. I don't have any other benefits. So KRA already have closed it. So it is A is equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Good to go? I think yes. We can get into the next page. You can see the total employment income is 500,000, 11,200. Then click next. Let me click next. So then now get into the section M. You are asked about PIN of employer. PIN of employer. Let me select. Let me get back to section C. PM. PIN of the employer. It should have updated. Should it update here below? It is here. Then my taxable salary. So your taxable salary is provided under the P9 form. So it is here, which is under H. Chargeable pay, which is 486,360. So let's come here and enter it. We have said it is 486,360. Then amount of tax paid as payee. Amount of tax paid as payee according to our P9 form, but it's also provided here, but our commandment is our P9 form. It is here. It is 52,774. 52,774. Let me enter it here. 52,777. It is 52,775. Since it is 775, 4.8 something, so it's equivalent to 5, but we round off. So we have the tax payable on taxable salary. So tax payable on taxable salary, our reference is our P9 form. It is provided here, which is now our tax charged. So this is the tax which my client is being charged, which is 83,308. So just ensure your P9 form is your commandment. Don't believe whatever is provided here automatically. So we have said the tax charged to the tax payable to my employee or tax charge is 83. Said it is 83,308. 83,308. 83,308. 308. Then amount of tax payable or refundable. So it is coming to be 30,533. But don't worry, I don't think my client have a liability with the KRA, just some error. So we shall, after getting to section T, we shall get here now, where we have now the analysis of the employment form, which is here. So we need to do some adjustment here using our P9 form. So we can enter the defined pension contribution for my employee. So the defined pension contribution for my employee, it is provided here. It is here. So for 2024, it is usually provided under E2, retirement contribution actual. This is which you are supposed to use. So after doing my computation, my mathematical computation about this, I received my employee contribution to pension scheme is after professional computation. It is 29. It is 522.82. 29,522.82. Then this is the contribution to the pension scheme, then which my employee have contributed the actual amount. Then from there, my employee does not have any mortgage interest, home ownership, no, post retirement, my employee does not have it. So yeah, my employee have family leaves, which are here, as you can see. My client, not my employee, I'm sorry. So he have an NHIF relief of 1350, which now we are operating at a shop. So it is 1350. I think sorry, I'm having a code, so we just allow me to just open up my vocal code. So it is 1350. 1350. So this is the health insurance fund relief. Then we have the affordable housing levy relief, which my employee have been given a affordable housing levy of. So what is the the affordable housing levy which my employee is given relief? It is let me get into my P9 form. It is 383.4. 383.4. 383.4. Then What else is there to be adjusted? So the personal relief is 28,800 is correct. 383.4 is also correct. So my employee is, there is a tax liability of 0.03, which is actually 0, but it should be 0. Yeah, he does not have any liability. I don't know what is wrong with the details. Let me show you. There was an error somewhere. There's an error somewhere. This form. Okay. Now I think I'm good to go. So after inputting all your employee details and reviews, so you can see now I'm good to go. So the tax due for my employee, as you can see, is this one. She does not have any tax due. So just be careful and counter check your P9 form and the details. Don't just file return to file returns. Just be sensitive about your clients and details in the P9 form. They are so important. Confirm if the computation are correct. Since mine was erroneous where we have pension scheme, just give the employee the reliefs where they are due. Since in case of these total relief of the personal relief, it cannot exceed 28,800, and you can notice in my P9 form, my client is granted NHIF relief of 1350. Affordable housing levy relief of that 383.4. So you must adjust them effectively in this document. So let me submit and see. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes. And my client is well served. So I don't want to participate in the survey now. So let me download the receipt. So it is here. You can see the income tax of my client is effectively filed. She does not require any refund. Everything is filed as effective as possible, and that is how you usually tax P9 form, and that is how you usually file the returns. Just be truthful, confirm details to the letter, get into your P9 form, adjust this, see if the mathematical computation is correct. Don't file return just to file returns. Just be sensitive about the details, check the reviews, don't blame KRA for liability. In case you have any query, you can contact me in the comment section, talk to me, call me, WhatsApp me, and ensure you don't sometimes file for the client for liability by not being considerate about relief, pension, adjusting for the pension benefits. Just be careful. We're doing this thing. Thank you for watching and God bless you.